Who can you count on in this life? 1. Tired, also have to rely on a chair to sit. 2. Drowsiness also depends on the bed to sleep. 3. When sick, also rely on drugs to treat. 4. Hunger also depends on food to eat to satiety. 5. Despair, no support, also have to rely on the wall to lean a little bit until have the strength to move forward. In difficult times, if anyone can rely on them, the mountains will melt and they will flee if we go to them for help. You cannot depend on anyone, you can only rely on yourself. Learn to live happily ever after, because when we were born alone, not with anyone, enjoying the life your mother gave us. This world has many good things and many beauties that accompany us all the time. Smile to strengthen yourself every day. Tell yourself that I am beautiful, I am good. Every day is my good day. As long as we do not give up on ourselves, we will always get started. Let happiness come into your life by not comparing yourself to anyone,